Right, so you need a clip, select the clip, go to the color tab, and then this is what you see. You see your clip, you see a node, and this node needs to contain something. So go to effects and make sure you search for the film look creator. Drag it on top of the node and watch the magic unfold. Now this changes it automatically, but it allows you to change things manually as well. So the exposure, you can make it more bright, you can make it more dark. Things like contrast, highlight, fade, white balance, tint, whatever you can think of, you can change it right here. You can choose split tone, vignetting, halation, bloom, and many others. Now, one thing I personally like is that when the effect is applied and you think like, well, that looks great, but it's a little bit too strong, you can actually use the global blend. And right now it's on 1, but if you drag it towards the left, so towards the 0, you see that the blend starts to change. So on 0, it's the original image, and then on 1, it's the edited image. So that gives you creative control to play around with that and basically apply the grading in increments. And this is the most easy way to give your footage a film look.